In this video, we will show you how to activate StandBy on your iPhone. Let's dive in. iOS 17's StandBy mode turns your charging iPhone into a useful display with a big clock and notifications. Here's how to enable and customize it. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and navigate to StandBy. In here, enable the toggle next to StandBy if not enabled already. Night mode allows a red tint on your display in low ambient lighting. You can also toggle notifications on your StandBy screen by turning the toggle on next to it. Lastly, StandBy can hide the preview of a notification until you tap it. To enable this feature, turn the toggle on next to Show Preview on Tap only. That's it! You have enabled and configured StandBy mode on your iPhone. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.